Do you want to roast the marshmallow but you don't have a campfire? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to roast the marshmallow using a regular bread toaster. This turns out just like a marshmallow roasted by the campfire, and it's super easy to do. You can roast your marshmallow indoors and you don't need a candle, microwave, stove, lighter, or anything. All you need is a toaster and a marshmallow. Just so you know, this is for entertainment purposes only. Think of this as just a fun video and not actually recommended to use a toaster this way. So first put your marshmallow on a stick or something. I used a chopstick, but you can also use the back of a spoon or fork. This is optional, but I put a piece of bread in the toaster. Then set the toaster heat. Don't put it on the highest level of heat because your toast will burn. Now push down the lever. Hold your marshmallow above the toaster. Keep rotating the marshmallow as you roast. Make sure to hold it close to the toaster because that's where the most heat is. I'm using the heat from the toaster to roast the marshmallow. Keep roasting until the toast pops up. So when you're using a toaster, make sure to clean out the crumbs in the toaster before you use it so it doesn't catch on fire. Also, unplug the toaster when you're not using it. So my toaster popped up, and as you can see, my marshmallow was not fully roasted. Since it wasn't fully roasted, I decided to roast it again. Make sure to take out your toast before you pull down the lever, otherwise it'll burn. Add another piece of bread if you want, but the bread doesn't really matter. I continued roasting until it was fully toasted. Now my marshmallow is done. Once I was done roasting my marshmallow, I made it into a delicious s'more by using graham crackers and chocolate.
As time goes by.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.